It's almost Christmas time and our house is literally a wreck.
Just see those sleigh bells jingling, ring, tingle, tingling. I'm on to lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you. Outside, snow is falling and friends are calling you. I'm on to lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you. Just see those.
Oh boy. So we leave for Kentucky in a week or less than a week. I just really want our house to be looking fresh and clean when we get back, because I think we're also hosting Christmas for Jake's side of the family the day we get back. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get into it. The mess is causing me stress. This is what we're working with. It's just messy. I've been trying to wrap presents in here, and so that's why it's just absolutely crazy. I even have a little Capri Sun over here. In the dining room, I laid out like all of my unused products because my mama's foster child, she like really likes makeup, and so I was trying to give her like some really cool makeup and like skincare and all that. So this is just a whole mess as well. Also more wrapping paper, and we decorated cookies last night. So Jake and I are trying to get in the Christmas spirit. We're making cookies. I bought these little cookie cutters, the little angel and the star. And of course they don't have any like gluten-free cookie dough ready, so I got these. I've never tried this one before. It's the oatmeal cranberry, but since we also got cream cheese icing, I feel like this would be better. I have a system now. It's turning out. It's looking good. Okay, I feel like I may have found the only time that gluten-free is coming in clutch. My cookies turned out great. However, Jake's, those were 2 stars, and this was supposed to be an angel. I salvaged the cookies. I just used the cookie cutter and redid them, but I think they look so cute. I didn't even put them up. I did eat most of it. It's just a wild mess over here, and I'm dying to get this cleaned. I think the first thing that I'm gonna do is clean our sheets. Are you guarding the bedroom? You are? Oh my goodness.
If spring is the season that wakes me alive, and fall is the season to contemplate.
I need to just go through some of these products and add them to my kit, because there's so many things in my kit that I don't have and I need. I'm gonna put all of my brushes in here. While I'm cleaning this up, I do want to say thank you guys so much for always supporting me, because without you guys I would not be able to get like PR like this and then get to bless other people with it. So thank you guys so much. I know my mama's foster kid, I don't know if I'm like allowed to say her name, but I know, or at least I hope, she will like everything. Also, while I'm putting this up, I just feel like some things just need to be trashed.
Waking up to the smell so sweet, like sugar cookies baking. Oh yeah.
This should literally take 2 seconds.
Got my PJs on and my favorite song, yeah, we slaying. Oh yeah, let's go. And we more lit than a Christmas tree. Yeah. Naughty list, no, that's not me. Not me. Spread love, do it joyfully. Yeah, yeah.
We had the robot vacuum going, and I also cleaned our living room. It looks so good, but then I just piled all of my laundry that I have to fold right over here. Meowsy is over here in his bed, and then Mr. O'Malley, I don't know if you can see. Oh yeah, you can. He's sleeping underneath the tree. It looks like we have a ton of presents, and I mean, I guess we do, but we had to leave everything underneath the tree opened, and then also leave a gap for them to go under the tree, because let me just show you. If we don't, they'll just step on the presents. A lot of these are dented in because at first, you know, we were putting them underneath the Christmas tree, and yeah, that was just not working out.
It's It's the end of the year. Everywhere on TV, couples and Christmas trees, gift wrapping and cheer. Just the worst time to be without someone special. In all the movies there, kissing in the snow.
Okay, I'm taking a lunch break and I thought I would share one of the meals that I eat all the time because I really struggle with lunches, especially now being gluten-free is so hard. It's really triggered some bad eating habits for me. But I recently, like a few months ago, found dino nuggets are gluten-free. So that is what I'm having. I'm doing a salad with some sunflower seeds, some sharp cheddar on it, and then I'll wash and cut up this cucumber, and then I just get my little dino nuggets with my kitchen scissors and literally just like chop its tail off, down its body, and then its head. It's so bad. You cannot tell me that that doesn't look so good. Oh my gosh. I got the dishwasher going, and while that is going, I'm going to clean up my bathroom. And I thought while I clean up my bathroom, I thought I would share some of the things that I've been using that has really helped me grow out my hair. I know my hair is looking a hot mess, but it has grown so much. Like, it is getting almost like to the end. Lots of progress has been made. My hair used to be about right here. It was like right above the ears. And now we have just grown so much. I'm so happy. So let me show you some of the products that I use. Okay, first and foremost, I started using like an actually decent shampoo and conditioner, because before I would just use like Suave or just like the cheapest shampoo and conditioner. I started using the Olaplex. I have the number 3, the Hair Perfector, the Bond Maintenance Shampoo, and then the Bond Maintenance Conditioner. And I will say you don't have to use the Olaplex. I also use Bondi Boost. I absolutely love Bondi Boost. So I would oil my hair pretty much almost every night, or at least once a week. I would just drown my hair in oil once a week. I haven't really been doing the oiling of my ends every night like I should, but whenever I was doing it, oh my gosh, my hair felt so soft. And then I also started using a scalp massager. I talked about this in my previous video for gift ideas. Oh my gosh, and it's no more than $10. I think it's maybe like $7 or $8. You can even probably find some for cheaper. First of all, it feels good, and second of all, it helps your hair grow. Another thing that I did to really help my hair grow is not put heat on it. I have been putting a little bit of heat on it recently, but there for a while I would not put any heat on my hair like at all. And then I also quit wearing my hair up like in a high bun or like even a low bun, just because she was saying like that would increase breakage. Trying my best even during the day here to just wear my hair down and then only wear my hair up if I'm like going out to like for work or something like that. Also, I take magnesium to be like regular with my bowel system, but I've also heard that magnesium helps like grow your hair because it's like a muscle, like a natural muscle relaxer. I also took Nutrafol supplements, which I really think that helped my hair grow so much. I haven't bought any recently because they are really expensive, but if you had hair like me, it's a good investment. I wish I would have actually asked for some for Christmas. And then of course I haven't gotten my hair highlighted or anything except my money pieces. I haven't had anything touched since I think right before my wedding, so almost a year ago. I don't know if this is true, but my hairdresser said me going gluten-free probably helped a lot too. Also, I will say, if you have like thyroid issues and stuff, I don't know if there's really anything that will help. Mine was mostly breakage, but because of my thyroid, you can like literally see my ear on this side. I'm really thin, and so I feel like sometimes that's just how it is. But that's just some of the things that I've done to get my hair to grow and just make it more healthy, because I'm gonna try and put some clips on the screen for you guys to see. My hair, especially like whenever we first moved into this house, I could literally take it out of like a pony or whatever and it would stick straight up. Like it was so dead and just like it just looked absolutely fried and just terrible. And yes, I'm really looking forward to hopefully lighting it up a little bit next year, but I'm still just trying to give it a break. That's just what I've done for my hair journey. I just wanted to let you guys know that because I did talk about it on Instagram and some of you messaged me and said, please share. So yes, that's what I did. And now let's get back into cleaning the bathroom.
I dream of December nights, kissing under bright lights, snowflakes in my hair, carols playing in the air. I dream of December nights, kissing under bright lights, red bow in my hair, sleigh bells in the air. The only thing I'm missing is you. Stockings on fireplace.
Alright, you guys, the bathroom is clean. I went ahead and Windexed everything and like wiped everything down with Lysol and all that. But yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed. I feel like this video was not that entertaining and I'm sorry. I'm just trying to come up with those 2 videos a week for Vlogmas. I don't know. I'm trying to commit to what I said and to get 2 videos up per week. So anyways, I love you guys and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
Just hear those sleigh bells jingling, ring, tingle, tingling. Come on, it's a lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with